Welcome to Business News SA. Today we take a look at how to start a trucking business in South Africa. There are many opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to start a trucking business in South Africa. This is largely because many of the items that we use in our day-to-day life are transported by road. Examples include food and basic supplies, vehicles and building materials, which are all hauled by trucking businesses. To succeed in this lucrative but competitive industry, you need an in-depth understanding of the industry and your numbers. Below we list the steps to starting a thriving business in this sector. As part of your business's setup process, it is useful to have a business plan that sets out your objectives and how they will be achieved. For your trucking business, you can include details such as the size of the fleet, how many drivers you will need, and whether they will be full-time hires or freelancers. Your business plan should also outline your costs, such as vehicle costs, vehicle registration and certifications, petrol, parking costs, and traffic fines. Other considerations are premises, including garage facilities for vehicles, as well as advertising and marketing. Will require a business plan that demonstrates how revenue will be generated and the expected profit margin. While there are many different types of trucking businesses out there, the way they make money remains mostly the same. Simply put, trucking companies are contracted by manufacturers and retailers contract to transport goods. The customer is then invoiced once the goods are delivered. Making a profit in this industry is, however, not easy. In the face of stiff competition and rising costs, it's important for business owners to keep an eye on finances, more specifically, to know their rate per kilometer. This metric is important as it determines what you charge customers to generate a profit. Additionally, a competitive rate per kilometer can put you ahead of your competition. To start, it's beneficial to register your business with the SIPC. Other compliance requirements are with tax legislation through SARS is important. This includes VAT, PAYE, UIF and SDL. Equally important are specific compliance requirements for trucking businesses. According to Arrival Live, they include: vehicles are roadworthy and in possession of a COF, certificate of fitness. The vehicle does not exceed the permissible axle masses, no overloading. The load is secured before dispatching the vehicle. Pre-trip vehicle inspections are carried out. That drivers are trained, in possession of a PRDP, professional driver's permit, and his/her license is free of endorsements. All drivers receive regular medical examinations. If transporting dangerous goods, DG, or hazardous chemicals, HAZCHEM, the vehicle is registered as a DG operator and the operator card or disc is displayed. Required documents for transporting goods in South Africa or cross-border are available for inspection by authorities. Auto Amendment Bill, 2015, B38B 2015, responsible for levying of penalties, traffic fines, overloading and impounding of vehicles, imposing demerit points. All things considered, starting a trucking business in South Africa is suitable for those with the skills, resources and financial know-how to navigate this sector. Thanks for watching. That's all for today.